The skin is usually classified based on the amount of oil the skin produces. Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, She Skin Glow, and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are so welcome. This is where you get to learn how to become a skincare formulator, either for a commercial or for your personal use. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Alright, so let's go. So today we are going to be learning something very interesting, and it is very vital when it comes to skincare formulation as you're learning to become a skincare formulator. Alright, so we'll be talking about the different skin type we have by characteristics of skin. The skin is usually classified based on the amount of oil the skin produces, and this oil that we're talking about is called sebum. So the classification of skin, or let me say the type of skin, are based on the way the skin secretes this sebum. The skin is classified into 4 places, though some people usually classify it into 5 places, but to me, I would say the 5th one is not skin type. I would rather classify it as skin condition. So let me mention the 4 major types of skin we have. Number 1, normal skin type. Number 2, we have dry skin type. Number 3, we have oily skin type, and number 4, we have combination skin type. So those are the 4 basic skin type we have. Why some people usually classify the 5th one as skin type, which is sensitive skin. Why I said I cannot classify it as skin type is because oily skin type can also have sensitive skin, while combination skin type can also have sensitive skin. So that is why I said sensitive skin is not a skin type. I would rather classify it as skin condition. Hope you get it. Alright, so let's pick the skin type one after the other and go deep into it. Let's start with the normal skin type. This is the kind of skin that secretes oil or that produces sebum at a normal level. This kind of skin type always have a blended skin tone because their sebum is secrete at a very normal level. So this kind of skin type, they don't really need much routine, and it is best to use products that will not rip off that natural oil, that their normal sebum, like grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil. Yes, jojoba oil is very good for people that have normal skin type. Also, pomegranate oil is very good, and so on like that. So if you have normal skin type, it is always advisable to use such product or to use product that contains such oils. Let's go to the next one, which is the dry skin. Dry skin secretes oil at a very low level. You can imagine the way you feel during harmattan or dry season. That same way the dry skin type feels all the time. Their skin is always scaly and flaky. You know, it's because they produce less sebum on their skin. So as a dry skin type, to put that dryness in the minimal level, it is best to use products that contains a lot of butters, like shea butter, like cocoa butter, and oils like moringa oil, like neem oil. Neem oil is a fatty oil, so it will moisturize the skin and keep that dryness at a minimal level. All right, so that is it about the dry skin. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is oily skin. Oily skin is just opposite of dry skin. Oily skin secretes sebum at a very high level. Due to the excess secretion of oil, they are usually prone to breakouts, acne, and pimples. So such skin type are to avoid products that are comedogenic in nature. They should avoid oils that are highly comedogenic. There's some oils that are highly comedogenic, and there's some oils that are low that are not comedogenic. So as an oily skin type, you need to avoid such products. And also, as a oily skin type, it is a taboo to sleep with makeup on. As a oily skin type, you don't sleep with makeup on. And how do you know the oily skin type? Their pore is always larger. They always have a larger pore, and at the same time, they secrete more oils on their skin. So people like that should always exfoliate. They need to exfoliate often to avoid the pore being clogged. So that is it about oily. So let's go to the fourth one, which is the combination skin. This one is kind of tricky because it has to be two or more of other skin type at once, like dry and oily skin at the same time. Those are the people you notice that at the T junction of their head. This is the T junction. This is the T junction of the head. It will be oily, while the other part, like the cheek down, the side cheek down, will be dry. Those people are categorized as combination skin. So that means they have combination skin, they have dry, they have oily skin, and also they have dry skin. So for such people, it is best to use two different products at the same time on their face, one to treat the oily part and the other to treat dry part. So those are the skin types we have, and those are the products you can be using to avoid complications, breakouts on your skin. So in our next video, we'll be talking about how to identify your skin type, the step to take. There are few steps you need to take. So in our next video, we will be talking about that. All right, guys, you can click on the screen to take you back to our previous video where you get to understand where we are coming from, because this channel is a step-by-step video of how to become a skincare formulator. So I will advise you to visit our previous video. You can click the screen now to take you there. All right, so I'm going to see you in my next video.